have a live one on the premises. He's a squirrely little guy.
Here's Gavin. Let's pound her up and we'll try and see what the string line's gonna do. Okay. We gotta put a few 14-foot gates in the front end of these pins. So we gotta measure that out. Okay. And then, yeah, we'll see what the hell we can get done on it, I guess. I know your dad sent him out.
What's that?
He's a welder. He's coming up to all over welds. Yeah. Your dad doesn't want to say, you guys suck.
QC's here, boys. Better tighten up. Gavin, what's going on back there?
Oh, no.
Yeesh. What's going on back there?
14.5 off of that, because we'll put these gates in. And that's where a post will go. And then 10 foot after that. Okay.
I don't know if you can hear me or not. It is windy. Very, very windy. Hell yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Woo.
Just seem lower than they need to be.
Yeah. This ground kind of slopes a little bit though.
Yeah.
Through that little part. It's an optical illusion. It's optically illusioning.
Go ahead.
Yep.
Alright, I got the windbreak here, aka the truck. We're setting all the posts to height right now, then we're going to cut all of our saddles in and lay our top rail on and maybe start welding if the wind dies down a little bit. So the wind's blowing like 50 miles an hour right now. It's beautiful though. Did he tie a knot in this?
No, just happy.
Oh, I thought I saw a knot there.
One for a loop on the bottom end.
I was gonna spank him for a second.
Let's go.
Montana is you actually get experience every season.
Yeah, every season.
Yeah.
You don't lack any of them.
Not at all.
You get the hot, you get the cold, you get the snow. And here you get the wind. That's just an added bonus. You don't get wind everywhere like we get wind. You gotta pay for stuff like this. All right, we'll update. We got all the saddles on. We're putting top rail on, as you can see over here. Our top rail put on here. Starting to become a corral. They got all those ones done here last week. The weather is getting ready to turn super poopy. Looks like snow off in the distance over there. Yeah, we're gonna try to get as much done as we can before we get rain or snowed on or whatever in Montana. Well, changed plans. Went from building fence to now we're gonna go chase elk.
Take that. She's dead.
There's one coming down lower. See that one? 5 4. That's a bull. Another bull.
Oh. That is all on you. Well, we got her in there.
Okay, well, we have it running. We might as well unhook it so it's ready to go for us. You can do the chains.
Can we get over there? I got gloves and stuff on. Here, you can hold the camera.
Yeah, ooh, cameraman's high. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, Mac.
Russ heads up Monday to go grab our new machine.
Heck yeah. I'm
Where's
dialed.
it at?
He's gonna be surprised that the lights and everything work on this trailer. It's in Emmett, Idaho.
Yeah, I don't know. That's not too far.
He's got chains and movers in the trailer, so he's good. I'll look up here. Alright, I'm with the lights.
Flatbeds and snow. Definitely where you sit.
Here's Gavin's wire job.
Oh yeah.
Seems to be doing all right.
Seems about right for us.
If it breaks, just have more tape.
We got the
There's
horses.
used crimps on it, so we'll see. We should take some tape off, see if she actually did, or see if he just told me that.
That's just the insulation. In theory.
Get that ball hooked. Maybe. There she goes. Yeah. Dialed.
Still have the trailer over here. That brand new spare tire.
We're living bougie.
Ready.
We just checked all the lights and tires on the trailer, and there's chains and boomers in it. Looks like it's good to go.
Oh yeah.
I gotta check, see how, when I'm talking to it, make sure it doesn't have an old jumble.
I can't do that. I
When you
stop
get-
and think too much.
When you get some from Ross, they're great.
Oh.
Yeah, they're all messed up. And
I would love my dad to start doing that.
we've always given him to do it.
See how all this goes. Oh yeah, we're dialed. Sounds good. Oh yeah. There we go. Just over me. There you go, Mac.
Sick, you're
Dial.
the man.
This one?
QC's on site. Better tighten up now.
Oh, that side was. I think
This side.
it might have been. Our company doesn't provide them. Yeah, well. No, we do.
Oh, there we go. Oh, things are sweet. The killer corgi.
Freaking batteries.
The killer corgi.
Damn thing, so it's a pain in the ass. Right. I need to extend you with my helmet too, which will help you a lot.
Gotta listen times.
Yeah. We're gonna X-ray this, all right?
Absolutely. SFA, Steve F. Austin.
Look at the that.
Austin, how's the eye feeling, buddy? Let's come tell Matt what happened.
How was it?
Oh, freaking! Was it Thursday or Friday? No safety glasses on the top of posts. Oh, had a piece of metal stuck in my eye. I thought it was a welding bird for a couple days. Probably left it. Piece of metal in my eye for 3 days.
Oh.
Thought it was a welding bird because it happened before. Went to the eye doctor on Sunday. Had to call him in. Emergency, had to get the needle and take a piece of metal out of my pupil.
Oh my lord.
Give me antibiotics and stuff. Been off until this whole week until Friday today because my eyes been hurt so freaking bad. But we're back on it.
We're solid now. Still no safety glasses.
Well, look at me.
Yeah.
I'm not grinding though.
Yeah.
I'm not grinding either. Yeah, lots of basketball work here. Lots of fun for rookies here.
Yeah, they get real close to the. It's like real close.
I don't know how great to see for yourself. They can't see.
This was Gavin the other day. Back up.
Back off.
I've never put my readers on. This is ridiculous. You see how we're just gonna whip?
Yep.
Just come out and then.
Yep.
All right, on with the readers. There's my safety glasses now.
He's got his cheaters on.
You don't have to be like, it's so forgiving.
Yeah.
So just come out and just come back and just kind of touch. You know,
I'm
it's
pretty
fast
sure
and
that's
it'll
how I
never-
was.
It's almost positive that's how it's doing.
It'll never go anywhere. Here. You see that? Watch. See if I do it the right way.
Especially when you have these gaps, you can whip out so it'll freeze on you. Absolutely.
That's how I've been welding. Is that right?
Perfect.
Okay.
Absolutely perfect.
That's how I
My job is done here. They already know what they're doing.
Good job, Dylan. You are a welder.
Some of these bigger gaps, that other box rod, did you grab it? No, it's in my truck.
Oh, God, I grabbed it.
You didn't do the next step bigger?
Yeah.
And
Built it's just a little higher. Matt could walk under
See
him.
what I do. When we do that, then I take this and I just beat it in tight and then weld it.
grab me one of those bigger rods. We might be able to speed this up.
Oh, yeah?
But then,
Your pickup?
Yeah, you're
oh, you didn't, you only grabbed one box?
Yeah, he only grabbed this one.
It's good practice for you anyways. We could try some of that.
But we've been then just come in and beat it in there.
And that'll save you guys so much
But we
time.
haven't, like some of this, I have a gap in it. You haven't filled it in, but I don't think it's gonna matter.
It's not gonna go anywhere. This pipe's gonna last forever.
Yeah.
You can get some moisture in there.
Yeah. But all those are welded up. For the most part, solid. The only thing we got left on that is our upright and then bump rail down the alleys, like we did here.
Is this your old perimeter?
Oh no, we're gonna go. So you're gonna have a 14-foot alley off the front there, like we did. And then right.
Oh, yeah, it's freezing in there.
Just to make sure.
You can see in the air.
At least we didn't get 8 inches of snow like they said.
They'll account for that.
Needs some 8 inches.
It's not that bad out here today.
Shut up.
But after John and I used to have to weld, we had
Oh,
to sit on a
yeah.
tank.
Yeah,
And then
I'm
you
sure
couldn't
it was-
move. At least here you can move. We had like these big
Yeah, I
repads.
was sitting
You're in
there.
the same spot all day
that
long.
would suck. That would suck.
I bought some
I'm
of
actually
them.
welding on continuous right now. Just
And then
Build a
you know how
hooch.
the wind was blowing yesterday?
is that? Yeah.
You know how the wind was blowing yesterday? Put this cold with that wind yesterday, and that's what they said. Is.
So you can always put more layers
I'm
on.
fine. This is my feet.
Oh, your feet.
Yeah, I'm
Alright.
good. Yeah, my feet are all up.
That guy's not dressed for welding.
Okay, so we need to get more welding gloves, glasses. You want to use my helmet. It's closer to your face. It'll help you a lot. So you got him lined.
Oh yeah, he's dialed in.
I'm so
I'm working on this guy.
Didn't train them enough before they came out. No training. I thought they probably learned that with the glasses and everything, but
You
I
think?
gotta stop assuming stuff like that. I have to. I'm blind in one eye.
Oh.
The world's longest tubing run is 3,600 feet long.
Yep.
So we got to beat that. Where would you?
2 miles.
Well, no, that's just over half a mile. So we got to find a spot. Where would you? It's too steep over there. There's no runoff. We kill ourselves.
Right.
So we have to go back up in here. Do you think is probably the best?
I wonder if you could go to the top above that water tank there.
Yep.
And come straight down and
Yeah,
then figure out a
bobsled.
way to turn.
Oh yeah. That'd be so
We can
much
knock
fun.
that fence
Well, I
down.
may have to
wild.
go to the gun range. And I think we need to come through the gun range as far as we can.
Yep.
And these tubes have plastic bottom on them. I'm getting that groomer, so we should be able to have a hard patch. We should be able to fly. Well, you're going to be using your groomer to get to your cows when you need to. It's awesome.
That's an excellent excuse to buy a groomer. Excellent excuse. I like it. I like it.
It's going to be great. So I guess that's in there. We need verify. I think it's in the Guinness Book of World Records.
That one in Japan. Also had those guys come out.
Yeah.
Well, I don't care if it's official. As long as I know that it means it. So there's a sled run, I think in Finland or something, that's like 14 kilometers. With the sledge you can steer. So it's just like a switchback road.
Yeah.
You can't do that in a tube.
No, no.
I mean, you look at this. There's enough slope here, even from that road there. If we get to that road, I think you would just keep going all the way down to the trails.
Yeah. At least where they're at.
That'll hurt flying with the snow cap and running down the road. Funny, I guess. You might be able to come to the top of this hill.
Yeah, that's
run down through there.
I was looking like up at that fence corner.
I don't know if that's long enough though.
Sick as crap.
Well, maybe we can enter it here.
Yeah, so I'm thinking. It's wide right there.
If we could get down through here and if we could get entered.
Just jump right in.
Right into the coulee.
Probably just go over that car right there, but just slide right into it.
See how the exit is. I mean, I'm all for it. We made it work. Just gonna have to fill in that bottom bit.
Yeah.
That snow because that machine's too big for that. So I guess we get a little snow and get it tripped in there. Holy cow, Tyler! This is sweeping enough that.
We got a big boulder right there,
We just need a lot of snow. Come through this tree now. Yeah, so you don't want to get that cut out. Well, before we go into much work on this, we'll see how the snow acts. In there. Johnson, they put up bobcats where those cows are at. Yeah, right.
Yeah.
And those coolies there, there's actually coolies in that. Or even ready to fly, we can come through the fence there. Well, let's look at that. The higher we can stay here, the more chance we got to get down through there. Yeah. We get flying down through here somehow.
Yeah.
A lot of speed through here. Just
Oh yeah.
so come all the way down. Oh yeah. All the way down through this coulee.
Yep.
I think this is it. This is one of them for sure. Oh boy.
That's easy.
From the top,
That is
yeah.
funny. Main corner here. Oh boy.
That's looking good.
Gotta be a jump somewhere.
Absolutely. Oh yeah. How far up? Oh man, this is. Okay, we'll get to the top of this and we'll start driving it. We'll see how far it is.
What are we doing today, Gav?
5 pounds of post. We gotta take a load of gravel first, so we'll see how it goes. Get
All right.
excited.
Taking the dump truck through the field. Made it. We don't have a CB in here. We can't even play truck driver. What the heck? We right where Dill wants us?
Yep.
Exactly. All right. All right.
I think I did my job.
A little vlog update here. I don't know if you can hear me very well. The wind is howling, but we're getting this alleyway built. Just about got panels all the way down this side. The boys have been laying out another, just basically a giant pen at the end of the day is what it is. But here, I'll show you that. So we got all of our posts laid out all the way back around there. And yeah, it'll come back into the corrals or alleyway. Yeah, we're getting her done. Okay, and sorry I didn't get to vlog a lot. I was working also, and the wind was blowing so bad, the audio would have been all messed up. Every time I tried to set up a time lapse, the wind blew the phone over, so I have a little bit of footage, but not a lot. But we are done for the day. The boys are coming back out tomorrow. I've got something else with Paul that I'm filming tomorrow, so I won't be back out here tomorrow, but the boys will, and I think here by the end of the week, this thing ought to be pretty much wrapped up. I don't have my seatbelt on. I'm on the ranch driving. I'm on the ranch, I promise.